Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Starlink kit beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by unboxing your Starlink kit. Inside, you will find the satellite dish, a mounting tripod, a power supply, and cables. Locate the satellite dish and place it on a flat, stable surface. Ensure that the dish is following the recommended orientation for an optimal signal. Use the included tripod to mount the satellite dish securely. Make sure the dish has a clear view of the sky without obstructions like trees or buildings. Connect the power supply to the satellite dish's designated port. Next, plug the power supply into a wall outlet. After connecting the power supply, wait for the satellite dish to power on. Observe the indicator light on the dish. Once the light turns solid white, it means the dish is ready to initialize. Use your smartphone or tablet to connect to the Starlink Wi-Fi network. Open your device's Wi-Fi settings and look for the Starlink network. Join the network using the password provided in the kit. Once connected, open a web browser. In the address bar, type in the provided URL to access the setup page. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your Starlink account. Complete the registration process by entering your information. Upon successful registration, the system will guide you through the alignment process. Make sure to follow any prompts to adjust the dish's position if necessary. Once alignment is confirmed, the system will finalize the setup. After a few minutes, you should be connected to the internet. You can test your connection by visiting any website. If issues arise, refer to the troubleshooting section in the setup guide provided. Congratulations, you are now ready to enjoy high-speed internet with Starlink. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.